Good morning, student. Now, today we will see the last point of this lesson, that is volume and surface area. For more information, Euler's formula. Euler's formula means that is depend on this. F indicates face, vertex, edges. Face means like this. Okay. Vertex means this points, and edges means this segment who's joining that object. If you add this one, this formula is, you will get the solution of this formula. This formula is known as Euler's formula. Euler's, this is one of the mathematician, Leonard Euler, a great mathematician at a very young age, discovered an interesting formula regarding the face, vertices and edges of solid figure. Now here first object is given, this is the cube. Okay. So here this cube having how many faces? Faces this 1, opposite 2, 3, 4, upside 5 and 6 faces. Vertex 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 upside and 4 downside. So 8. Edges means this segment 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This one 4, that side 4, 8 and this 9, 10, 11 and 12. So these are the 12. So we'll see this formula is satisfied or not. F plus V. F plus V 6 plus 8 14 is equal to E plus 2 12 plus 2 14. So like this, here you have to find this one, this one, this one, and you have to fill this table and you have to show send the photo. Okay, this is the assignment for you. How many faces, how many vertices and then edges. See that your total is correct or not. By formula you can check it. For example, I will solve third one again. Triangular prism. How many faces? This upside, downside 1, 2. This side 3, 4. Okay, 3, 4 and this front side 1, 2. Okay, see for one time again we'll see. 3 faces, 1 vertical, 2 and this front side 3, 4, 5. Faces are 5. Vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. See here 5 plus 6, 11, 9 plus 2, 11. Like this you complete it all. Today we will see the new lesson, that is circle, chord and arc. Now here one diagram is given. Already you know what is the circle. Circle means here the set of points. This is the set of points which is equidistant from this point. This is the center. This all points on the circle, they are equidistant. This one is known as circle. Okay. Now here some fill in the blanks. We'll see that as a revision. Chord OD. What do we say? This is OD is what? This is the radius of circle. You have to write in your notebook. Chord is segment AB. This is passes through center of circle. So this is what? Diameter. Segment PQ. This is what? This is the chord. Okay. Dash dash is the central angle. Central angle means the angle made with the center. Two angles here, DOB and also AOB. Suppose we take one DOB. DOB. This is the angle made with the center. This is central angle. Minor arc. Arc AXD. Arc BD. Then arc BQ. Okay, arc PQ, arc AP. Okay, minor means this is minor and this one major. Okay, major arc like that. See, PAB. This is PAB. More than half circle, that is major, and less than half circle, they are minor arc. Arc PDQ. PDQ. Okay, then you can take another one, ADP. ADP also you can take. More than half circle you have to take. ADP, or you can take ADQ also, more than half circle. Semicircular arc ADB means this diameter divide this one, that is semicircular. Another is what you can take APB or AQB, both are same. APB. Then मेजर आर्क DB, दिस वन इज इक्वल टू, इसका मेजर सेंट्रल एंगल जैसा होता है, तो मेजर आर्क D एंगल DOB. मेजर आर्क DA, दिस DAB, DAB इज इक्वल टू 360. हाँ ओके, DAB यहां तक, यानी कि ये पार्ट ले 360 डिग्री. ओके, टोटल सर्कल का 360 माइनस ये पूरा नहीं है ना, तो माइनस किसका करना, कौन सा एंगल है ये आर्क में आने वाला, DOB. सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस वन, मेजर एंगल DOB. दिस इज DOB, दिस इज DOB, बिकॉज दिस मेजर्स आर सेम. सो वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस मेजर फ्रॉम 360. यू विल गेट मेजर आर्क विच वन, DAB. यहाँ तक DAB मीन्स यानी कि ये छोड़ के. ओके, so we'll see the some properties and afterward we'll see the examples. Properties of chord of circle. First properties, here see, this is the center, this is the chord. Here we drawn the perpendicular. You can do the practical also. If you draw this one and if you take the scale and if you measure this distance AP and PB, these two are same. So what is the property that we found? You have to write the properties of chord of circle in your notebook. Draw the circle, this diagram, and below that write this one. The perpendicular drawn from the center of circle, perpendicular drawn from the center of circle to its chord, bisect the chord. Bisect the chord means these two parts are same. AP is equal to PB. Okay, this is the first property. Activity also given means you can do draw a circle, even chord, and from the center you just draw the perpendicular, measure using this scale, you will get the same distance, means equal distance, that two parts are same. Second property, if P is the midpoint, okay, and O is the center, if we join the center and midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord, means opposite of that first one. See here, the segment joining the center of circle and midpoint of the chord, it's perpendicular to the chord. यानी कि अगर ये midpoint join करता है तो ये perpendicular होता है. वही इधर हमने देखा, अगर ये perpendicular है तो ये equal part होता है, यानी कि P इसका midpoint आता है. अभी उल्टा दिया, अभी midpoint दिया और ये इधर का perpendicular है. Okay, this is perpendicular. So we will see the example. See here, this one OA is perpendicular to PQ. Chord of length, PQ is a chord of length. PQ दिया total 7 centimeter. Okay, this is perpendicular. Then find AP. PQ 7 है तो AP कितना होगा, हमें पता है perpendicular यानी कि दो equal part होते हैं, तो इधर क्या लिखना है, perpendicular. So point A is क्या होगा, mid point होगा, तो length PA is half of PQ. So half of 7 is 3.5 centimeter. Here radius of circle with the center O 10 centimeter. Radius 10 centimeter. Find the length of chord. The chord is at distance 6 centimeter. यानी कि ये distance दिया 6 centimeter. तुम्हें chord की length ढूंढना है. तो क्या ढूंढेंगे पहले? If we see this one, this is right angle triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, you will get PB. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. If you will get PB, then double of PB is the chord AB. You will see this one. This perpendicular, so radius, this OB is 10, OP is 6 in triangle, OPB, right angle triangle. That's why according to Pythagoras theorem, this OB square equal to this OP square plus PB square. Put the value, OP is 6, PB we have to find, OB is 10, this 10 square is 100, this 6 square is directly like this also you can find, or by using A plus B formula, A square minus B square, no, this is A plus B, A minus B, by this one also you can find. This is 64. Now this is PB square, So we want PB. So here square, so you have to take the square root. This is what? 8 centimeter. So this is 8 centimeter. So what is the chord AB? Therefore, length AB is equal to 2 times of length PB. है कि नहीं? Because this is midpoint. आधा है तो इसका ये डबल होगा तो 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 16 centimeter. So this is the answer. This example also here you have to write. See here like that. They solve this one. This is 8. So AB is equal to 2 times of this. So this is the 16 centimeter. Now we have to see practice set 17.1. I will solve this first one and fourth one. You have to solve second and third using the same method. Okay. So we'll see that example first. How to find that solution of this first one. See here. Very simple example. In a circle with center P, chord AB is drawn of length 13 centimeter. Means chord AB कितना दिया है? 13 centimeter. Okay. Length, a segment PQ is perpendicular to chord AB. Then find length QB. Length QB ढूंढना है. AB दिया, QB ढूंढना है. Now we know here segment PQ is perpendicular to chord AB. Okay. If this is perpendicular now, so we know therefore Q is the midpoint. Midpoint of AB. Okay. Then what you have to do? We want QB. Length QB. This is equal to, this is midpoint, so it is half of length AB. AB is given. AB is what? 13. So 1 half into 13. So divide. 2 1 the 2. 2 6 the 12. 1 remain. 10. 2 5 the 10. So length AB is what? 6.5 centimeter. I think very simple. Easily you can find this. Already we see that solid example also. Now this is second one. This is fourth example given in the practice set. This is different. Diagram is not given. So using this you can draw the diagram. C is the center of circle. Point C. Radius is 10 centimeter. Radius means this is, we know. Find the distance of the chord from the center. यानी कि ये distance ढूंढना है. Center. If the length of chord means EB is given. See here. So length CA is 10 centimeter. Chord is given. Length AB is what? Here given 12 centimeter. So you have to find this length. Distance between this one means length CM you have to find. What is the distance between center and chord? So very simple. This is perpendicular. Okay. So here segment CM. This name is not given. You can give any name. Only center name is given. Perpendicular to chord AB. Okay. This is so in right angled triangle CMA. Which theorem? By Pythagoras theorem. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay. But before that, here you have to find this AB is given 12 centimeter. Okay. AB is 12. So here what? Okay. First we will write this one. Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to CM square plus AM square. But here AM first we have to find. Okay. Here AB is 12 centimeter. So here AM is equal to 1 half AB. So it is half of 12 is what? 6 centimeter. Because we know this is midpoint. If this is 12, then half of this 6 centimeter. So put value. AC is given 10 square is equal to. CM is not given as it is. AM, this is we found it. It is 6 square. Okay. So this is 100 is equal to CM square plus this is 36. Take this 36 here plus. Will it come left side? Become minus. Okay. So CM square is equal to what? Subtraction is 10 minus 6 is 4. Here 1, 4, 10 minus 4 is 6. So this is 64. So what is cm? Square root 8 centimeter. So what is your answer? Therefore, find the distance. The distance of the chord from the center is what? 8 centimeter. You can write here. The distance of the chord from the center is 8 centimeter. So this is the answer. I think very simple example. Try to solve that 2 example. This is last lesson of this book. This is last lesson. Afterward we will see some scholarship examples, scholarship books. Okay. So I will send that videos also. Now we will revise this one, this total syllabus. After completion of this total syllabus, we will start scholarship book. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.